Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got another unboxing. So what you see here is a slightly horizontal box and a small little paper bag. So this is a true unboxing and I don't even know what item is inside because I've been given this today and I'm so excited to show you what I have because I'm excited for myself as well. It's a surprise, it's a pleasant surprise, and I've got no idea what content it is over here. And I really hope that it's something that I like because sometimes surprises can be surprises, but you wouldn't know you like it or not, but still it's a surprise, and still we have to be appreciative of whatever that we receive. So anyway, I'm here to share with you my unboxing. So let's do it together. I'm as excited as you. Let's take a look. So I got this today, and as you know, today is Valentine's Day. Oh, by the way, after I post this video, it may not be Valentine's Day anymore, so it could be after Valentine's Day. But anyway, I received this on Valentine's Day, and I'm excited. Let's take a look together. Let's see what is inside. What? Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I got Black Rodeo. Wow. I got a full Black Rodeo. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Take a look. Oh wow. This is really soft. It's like the texture of like a lamb skin. It's super soft. Oh my god, I can't believe I received my Black Rodeo finally. Wow. Oh, I'm excited. Wow. Oh, thank you. Yeah, so I hope you like it as much as I do. This is the smaller size. We've got the medium size and this is the smaller version. It is most suitable for smaller bags, like for example the Birkin 25, Birkin 30, and even the Kelly 28 or Kelly 25 or the mini Kelly. And yeah, wow, I couldn't believe it's a fully 100% black rodeo, and it's extremely soft. And look at the tail, it's super soft. Look at the leather. Wow, I'm so excited. Do you like it? If you like it, please comment down in the comment section below, like whether if you have the same taste as I do. Let me something that is fully black rodeo, and click on the like button if you like this video and let me know what are your comments, what do you think. And please, if you have not joined my family, if you have not joined my channel, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. And yeah, I've got more unboxing to be done, and I'm excited to show you. Thank you so much and take care. Have a wonderful day.